How to fix camera not focusing in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then on top you can see the option app management. Now click on it and scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera. Now here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open your camera. Now on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now scroll down and here you can see the option restore defaults. Now click on it and then click on restore defaults. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.